typical day for me is usually starting off the day with a couple of calls depending on the time zone of the plant that I'm talking to. And as the day goes on, touching base with our local management teams as well as our group functions to see what type of issues may be coming up and what support we may need. And then working on communications for the coming future on issues that we see that are necessary for us to improve our performance in our meeting our health and safety and environmental goals. It really just depends what you're looking for, but if you're looking for a job that offers a lot of variety, a lot of different chances to move on, move ahead, and develop yourself, I think manufacturing is a very good option and really a way to go. I think if you're interested in looking into manufacturing, what I would do is participate in events like we have, Manufacturing Day, to get an understanding of what types of positions there are in manufacturing, what does it mean to be in manufacturing, and whether it's part of supply chain, whether it's part of laboratory work, whether it's working as an operator in a manufacturing line, or a chemical operator, depending on the site that you're at. There's so many options. And the nice thing in manufacturing is education is very important depending on what your future goals are, but you can start really with a high school education and really decide from there what are you interested in, what would you choose to specialize in. There's so many opportunities at all levels of education, and the chance to grow is really what kept me in this field and really keeps me in it today, and I look forward to working many more years in manufacturing.